Hey everybody, this is Brad from Johnson Small Engines, just giving you the final update on where we are at with this flood. As you can see by these pictures, this was back on June 8th, and as this video unfolds here, you're going to see us rebuild the shop. I was not able to move due to financial issues as far as moving to another location. Everywhere I saw that was comparable to where I wanted to be as far as where my customers are, it was just going to cost triple what I'm paying, and so I decided to stay put. And with all the support from my family, my customers, and my friends, I was able to take about 2 months off here to get this all figured out. I was actually looking for a place for about a month and a half, and I was very just upset with everything as far as prices. I don't know if it had something to do with the COVID and everybody's trying to get back to work, but the rental properties in my area were just going crazy as far as how much they cost. And I actually thought about purchasing property at one point, but I just couldn't get anywhere with any of the zoning people. It was really horrible to deal with people. I needed to move as fast as I could, and it wasn't working for me, so I decided to just rebuild at my location here. The video that you're watching is actually a lot of pictures of stuff that I have lost, and this is out of my auto shop, all these machines here. And I will be rebuilding the auto shop, but I am in pretty much 99% of my business is small engines. And we just wanted to get that shop up and running. I have two different shops in this location, and the one that you're seeing the most of is the small engine shop. And you're going to see by these pictures how it unfolds. And I just, we cleaned up the best we could. We actually, we'd got a lot better cabinetry. We just installed new lighting. We painted the walls. We were able to get new everything pretty much. And I'm not going to voice over everything on this video, but I just wanted to really get with you guys and let you know that as of Monday, August 16th, I'm going to be back in business, and the phones will be up and going, and we'll be doing pickup and deliveries on Tuesday. And as far as my YouTube channel goes, and everybody supported me on that, we will be getting back into doing more videos as the equipment comes in. So, keep in mind, I'm definitely back 100% now. And if you watch the rest of this video, you will see the final shop at the end. And it does get much better. It's about a 10-minute video, so you may not want to watch the whole thing. But if you get to the end of it, it will show you the complete shop as we're going to start working out of on Monday. So I just want to get this video up. And again, I can't thank my family, my friends, my customers enough to be able to help me financially support the last 2 months of my life, and being able to get a whole bunch of new equipment. And I still will be buying new equipment for the auto shop. You're probably all wondering about if this flood is going to ever happen again. Well, if it does, I built the shop. The new shop is built to withstand the 38 inches of water that we had. I put benches above the water line. Everything I put on the walls that you're going to see coming up in this video, all the new cabinets, they're all up above the water line. And if it does happen again, everything below the water line, it's not going to matter. It won't ruin anything that's below the water line. Even my office, which I really didn't get a whole lot of video of my office, is because the office kind of looks like a mess, but everything is up above the water line. So if it does happen again, I don't even have a bottom toolbox. I mean, everything is on benches now. The benches are raised. So even my parts are all above the 38-inch line. All the new inventory is above the 38-inch line. And hopefully it won't happen again. If it does, I also have a monitoring system now that is on my cell phone. It's an app to the Brandywine River location, which is right down the street from us. When the river comes to a certain flood stage, I'll be notified on my phone, so I'll be able to at least have a few hours of time. And whenever it happens and I get notified, I'll come down to the shop. We're going to be able to move what little bit is in the flood zone. We'll move it up out of the way. And my customers' machines are going to be relocated into a trailer that I'm going to put above the flood zone, and we're just going to drive them up into it. I may just start using that trailer as just when my customers' machines are finished, we're going to put them in there. As you can see, this is the new paint on the walls. Really went all out and just made it nicer. The lighting that you're seeing now should be, I think they're 10,000 lumen LED lights, making it so much brighter. And this is the grading that we did. This is what we pulled up from out back, and as you can see what's about to happen to the floor there. We have issues with it coming in when it rains really hard, but never really had an issue. But now that is going to be gone. Now that we have the grate in the floor there, it's all going to be, you know, going to a sump pump, and that's just for what the stuff that comes off the roof in this building. But that's just that we've had to deal with for years. Not a big deal, but as far as the shop, it's looking really good now, and you can see we're getting towards the tail end of this video here where it shows the newer part of the shop, and you're going to start to see the shelving going up, and the tables they're higher, and the toolboxes are off the ground. So everything is up and running, and again, I can't thank you guys all enough for helping me and supporting me financially, and just being there. I just overwhelmed with everybody, all my customers and my family and my friends that really helped out. So I can't thank you all enough. I'm going to let this go now and finish up. You can just keep watching this to the end. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And any comments would be greatly appreciated. And anything that I missed that I can answer your questions, you know, just leave a comment below, and I'll try to get back to everybody. Thanks for watching. The barriers that are coming up, we just put these in front of the shop just in case it happens again. This is going to deflect a lot of the river that came through the front of the building. The rest of this video is just more cabinets, new benches, and the final product here. So thanks for watching, and just watch it to the end and you'll see the finished product.